In this video, I'll show you how to create a Pinterest account. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you do not have it installed yet, go to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, search for Pinterest, and install the app. Once the app is installed, open Pinterest. On the welcome screen, you should see options to sign up using your email address, Google account, Facebook account, or Apple ID, depending on your device. To create an account with email, tap Sign Up with Email. Enter your email address, then create a password. Make sure to use an email you can access because Pinterest may send you updates or verification messages. Next, Pinterest may ask for basic information, such as your age, gender, country, or language. Fill in the required details and continue. After that, Pinterest will ask you to choose topics you are interested in. You might see categories like home decor, fashion, recipes, travel, beauty, fitness, business, or design. Select a few topics that match your interests. This helps Pinterest personalize your home feed and show you pins you may like. Once your account is created, you will be taken to your Pinterest home feed. From here, you can search for ideas, save pins, create boards, follow creators, and organize inspiration in your own way. To customize your profile, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap Edit Profile. Here, you can add a profile photo, change your display name, write a short bio, and add a website if you have one. If you want to use Pinterest for a brand, blog, or online business, you may also see an option to create or switch to a business account later in settings. And that's it. Your Pinterest account is now ready to use. You can start searching, saving pins, and creating boards based on the ideas you love. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.